Hey, welcome to Hull Adventures. I'm Eddie.
I'm Laura.
And we are in the Atrium Bar on the Carnival Dream. We just got on board. We are breaking our own rules, guys. We always say go to muster station first, but we started with the drink because it was a little... Cheers. It was a little stressful. The traffic around Galveston, around the cruise port, was pretty crazy. It took us, what, almost an hour to get from our hotel to the terminal because of traffic.
But guess what? We're going on a cruise, baby.
Yeah, we don't care. So we got on board at approximately 11:20, 10 minutes ago.
But you know what's weird? Like we were a half hour late to our check-in time because we had 10:30 and we got here like at 11. But we like boom, 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 walked right out.
Yeah, the actual process in terminal super quick. We're super happy with that. So with that, Atrium Bar, one beer.
And one martini.
And we'll talk to you. Hey guys, we have a cruise tip for you. A cruise tip from Huddle Adventures. I'm Eddie.
I'm Laura.
Go ahead.
All right, so cruise tip number 1. On day 1, make a friend with the bartender or 2 and follow them around the ship.
Our bartender here at the Atrium Bar just told us, because we gave him a $5 cash tip when we met him, that, hey, I usually work at the Alchemy Bar. So, there you go.
And give them a couple of fives right off the bat, like boom, boom, boom. Rest of your cruise.
And that's how we do it. Right? Okay, stay tuned for more good cruise tips. We have stateroom 6477. If you look, it's kind of a unique location, guys. It's an L-shaped balcony stateroom. As you come in, you'll notice there's an area open right here next to the door. Would be a great place to keep suitcases and things. You can hang your sail away cards right there. Sign and sail cards. Sorry. Got 3 closets right here. We are noticing more and more the robes have made a comeback. On our first few Carnival cruises, there were no robes. But now they have robes. And, whoa, someone left some stuff in there. Who, what? And closet number 3. Plenty of storage. Have plenty of drawers. The desk is a little longer than the desk on the Vista, if I remember correctly. And on the Vista, we had the same type of room. And now, if you look at the aft end of the ship, you get a L-shaped corner balcony. And they basically cost about the same, guys, but you get way more real estate on the balcony. And the rooms are laid out in a much cooler way, in our opinion. But there's a chair on the Vista, but here there's no chair, which is fine, because we never use the chair. We have the room set up with the king-size bed format. Sorry, I'm using English as my second language today, apparently. And they have the little TV. The coolest part about this room is beyond these curtains, guys. I'm going to show you that last. But we'll make it 360, or about a 180 turn here and let you see. Now look at this. It says, welcome aboard Laura and William. Who is William? And that is from your housekeeping team. Pro tip, always order water ahead of time. Have it delivered to your room. Recommend these cookies as well. That's what we did. Great. Now, I'll show you the bathroom. It's your standard Carnival bathroom. The neat thing about this one is the door will stay propped open. I like that. You look, it's your basic Carnival bathroom. Always, always, always be aware of the step and wear your Vans. With that said, pretty standard bathroom. Okay, I will show you what lies beyond this door next. All right, guys, I opened the curtain so you can see what lies beyond the window here.
A big old balcony.
A big old balcony, yeah. And side note, the TV game is still a little off on these Dream class ships. We were on the Magic last month. Well, in August, we're on the Magic. Make sure you check out our vlogs. On the Magic, we did a 7-day Bermuda cruise. Shameless plug for Huddle Adventures, but the TV is tiny on this ship. And yeah, Carnival needs to step their game up on the television front. We just stayed at the Spring Hills Suites in Texas City, and they had the interactive TVs, you know, where you can do streaming and all that kind of stuff. That's where Carnival needs to take their game. The TVs are bigger on the newer ships, so I will cut them some slack. So you look, here's window number 2, curtains open. I'm going to take you out on this balcony. I'm going to show you what is so special about this room. Here we go. Now I want you to take a look. It's loud. They are fueling the ship right now. We are in the port of Galveston, but take a look at this balcony. This is crazy, crazy big. You get a lounger, you get the 2 chairs, you get the table. All what you expect. We're gonna turn, go back the other way. Take a look at this. This is awesome. Now we have stayed in a L-shaped balcony before, and we thank Cindy and Paul from High Seas Cruising with Cindy and Paul for the recommendation that you get the L-shape, because they cost about the same. There's not a real premium upgrade in price to go from a standard balcony to an L-shaped balcony. So look at your deck plan, and you will see at the rear and the front corners of the ships, you will see L-shaped balconies. And it's basically the designers have excess space they can do nothing with, and you win because you get a bigger balcony, which is really cool. Okay, here we go, guys. Now, this cruise ship, the Dream, I think it was built in 2012, 2011, whatever it may be. It was over 10 years ago it was built, right? When it was built, the designers did not take into consideration the fact that they really should have more power sources here, right? So in this stateroom, there's one outlet, one standard outlet, one European outlet. But there is a solution, and you see it right there, right? Okay, so the European outlet, get you an adapter. This brand, Trond, there's multiple brands available on Amazon, plugs into this strange looking European outlet and gives you multiple outlets. You have 3 standard outlets you can plug your devices in, and 2 high-speed USB outlets. Our other favorite thing, and we have 2 of each of these, right? So when we're sailing with our family, we set them up in the room so that they have the same capability we do. So this Anchor outlet, I believe this is about $25. It's cruise ship approved. You can get it on Amazon. It has 3 high-speed USB outlets and then 3 standard outlets. So this is a great power source for your devices. Usually we can get by with just one of these. Sometimes the cruise ship will not have the European outlet, but most do, because most cruise lines will sail in North America, South America, and over in Europe. So they will have that. So I believe those outlets, you can get these adapters for around $12, and then the other one I think was like $25, but this is a very high quality one. What you need to look at when considering one of these with the USB outlets is that they are high speed. I think it's 3.0. So both of these are that. So that works out really good. So you see here, Laura works remote on the cruise ships often. She brings her work laptop. And when she brings her work laptop, I bring the Huddle Adventures laptop. And this allows me, when she's doing her work, I sit across from her and I work on stuff for our channel. So with that said, guys, just it's a little tip. You can see I have my watch charger plugged in already. There's nothing we can't charge here. It's a great setup, and we highly recommend it. And we will talk to you later. Bye-bye. Looking at downtown Galveston. Very cool. Deck 11. Embarkation Day. Carnival Dream. Here we go, guys. We're getting ready to sail away.
Now I do it, let me go. Everybody knows this, so there's no reason that y'all don't have a chance to move your body. All the shorties is we're officially on vacation. So I need y'all to put some effort into it. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Let's see you jump up there. Shake, 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 shake it up. Throw that work, 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 work. And switch it on over to the right. Cha-cha.
It's Laura's here right
I'm
now.
here right now.
We're at the Alchemy Bar on the Carnival Dream, and look behind us. What is back there? Ocean Plaza. What? Yeah, that means there's gonna be live music here. We are excited about it. I know you're excited about it too.
We'll take you with us.
We're gonna be doing some of this. Oh, you're not doing it. Oh, and we're ready to roll. And what do you think of the dream so far?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
We just left the sailboat party, and we are happy to be here. We'll talk to you soon.
I just
What?
ordered a cucumber sunrise, and he got a Moscow mule, so we'll take you with us.
Yeah, we are on our way. All right, guys. I believe this might be my favorite Carnival ship. If you look, we're at the Alchemy Bar. We're sitting here at the bar. Look over here. Ocean Plaza Bar,
Like,
right there.
literally next
That's an
door.
alchemist. That guy right there is Ravi, the alchemist. And right there is, that lady sells beer. And I'm very happy about that. Oh my goodness. What a great find. They have a bar with beer right here. Next door to this bar right here with all the fancy drinks. Nothing wrong with that if that's what you like. I'm not judging you, but my beer mecca is right there. Very happy. Talk to you soon. Bye. Good morning from the high seas. Today's a sea day. This is day 2. Yesterday's embarkation day. We had an excellent embarkation day. Everything went really well. It was a long day. If you've ever cruised before, you know how that can be. They wear you out. Embarkation day can be a very, very long day. A little taxing. You do a lot of traveling, moving around, dragging your luggage around, get to the ship. Then you got to get your room. You got everything situated. And we didn't even get our Wi-Fi set up until this morning. So it was a pretty busy day. But we had a lot of fun. We toured the ship, had a nice lunch from Guy's Burgers. Went to the casino for a good long time. Did not win big, but we did okay. And then we went to dinner at the MDR, and we got to say, it was excellent. We had a very, very good meal last night. We're really impressed with the food at MDR. I did the chicken parm from the Cucina section of the menu, and it was good. It was just as good as it is at Cucina. Very, very happy with that. Laura did the braised beef. I did the enchiladas entree. She did the shrimp cocktail, and we both had tiramisu for dessert, and it was exceptional. And then we decided to turn in early and get some rest, and then last night the ship started rocking. You can see the waves behind us. It is a pretty rough day at sea, guys. The ship is moving more than I've ever felt a ship move in a non-storm situation. So I don't know if it's remnants of Hurricane Ian or whatever it is, but there are some heavy waves, and they even gave you a warning, safety warning, to walk slowly and be careful. And I'm sure they're going to have the bags, the special bags, hanging out for everybody that gets seasick. We're thankful that we don't get seasickness. So with that, we're going to head to our sea day brunch. We're going to take you along. It's going to be a busy day here on board the Carnival Dream. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.